The best method I have found for the best results in keeping your dishwasher clean and getting your dishes clean is take your favorite dishwasher detergent, or in my case, whatever was on sale that day. And then I also take just some regular powdered dishwasher detergent, put it in your pre-wash. If you don't have a pre-wash, just throw it in the dishwasher with the dishes. And I also take citric acid, not a lot. Put some in pre-wash, put some in the main wash, a little bit left, toss it in. Always use your rinse aid. Close it up. Turn it on. I use pots and pans setting. Done.